Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone not ringing. If your iPhone isn't ringing when you get a call, it can quickly become a frustrating and even serious problem. You might miss important calls from family, work or your doctor without even realizing it. Fortunately, there are several simple steps you can take to fix the issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first thing is start with the obvious mute switch and volume. It might sound too simple, but it's worth checking. Make sure the physical switch above the volume buttons isn't flipped towards the silent mode. If you see that orange line, your iPhone is muted and you are done. Next thing I'm going to tell you, if your iPhone rings but you can barely hear it, so test your speaker. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to sound and haptics. Tap on it. Next, choose ringtone. Here you can see classic is selected. Tap on it. Then tap the old phone to play a loud sample. If it works fine, choose a ringtone that's easy to hear. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you about attention aware features. Your iPhone may lower the volume if it notices you are looking at the screen. Check this by going to settings. Next, go to Face ID and passcode. Tap on it. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of attention aware feature. If it is enabled, then tap on its toggle button to disable it and you are done. Next thing I am going to tell you, if calls are reaching you but still not ring, for this go to settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom to the app section, tap on it. Next, scroll down and go to the phone app, tap on it. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of silence unknown callers, tap on it. Next, tap on its toggle button to disable it and you are done. And the next step is check focus modes and do not disturb. For this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Next, tap on the moon icon. And next, tap on the focus mode that is enabled to disable it. And you are done. And the next step is check auto answer. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, scroll down and choose touch option. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of call auto routing. Tap on it. Next, choose auto answer calls. Make sure it is turned off. Tap on its toggle button to disable it if it is enabled and you are done. Next thing I am going to tell you, check communication limits. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to screen time option. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here you will see the option of communication limits. Choose and then choose during screen time. Select everyone and you are done. Next step is restart your iPhone. If everything looks right and it still won't ring, try restarting your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off. Wait for some time and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone not ringing problem, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.